Hi guys, it's Lara. Thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I created our newest Halloween decoration, which is these cute little houses behind me with the lights in them and with the branches and with the bats. I found this idea in a magazine and I loved it so much that I have decided to give it a try and to film it for you guys. Now, if you are new on my channel, I have a Halloween playlist with many costume and decoration ideas, so I will link it down below. And now let's have a look at how I created these little houses. For our little spooky Halloween houses, I used juice cartons. You will need cartons that have a triangular shape on the top that resembles a house roof. As a first step, I marked lines on each carton for doors and several windows. You can make them rectangular or round, that is of course entirely up to you. I cut the windows and the doors with a scalpel, but you could use a simple box cutter instead. Just be very careful because these tools tend to be pretty sharp. Make sure that at least one of the openings is big enough so that you can insert an LED candle later. I found it very helpful to use a small glass bottle as a guide for the round openings. It was, by the way, a bottle with an essential oil. Once I was done with the windows and with the doors, I painted the cartons with a matte acrylic paint. You could also use either a chalk paint or simply matte black spray paint. All work just as fine. When I was done with the painting, I let the cartons dry. Check the instructions on the paint you are using to know how long your paint needs in order to be completely dry. While the cartons were drying, I collected a few small branches for the bigger house in our yard and I sprayed them with a matte black spray paint from all sides. I continued when both the branches and the houses were dry. I glued to each house a few plastic spiders and plastic bats I bought in our local DIY and craft supply store, and I used a glue gun. Next, I put the branches into the bigger house and I glued more of the bats to several places. If you can't get any plastic bats, you can always draw bat shapes on a black paper and cut them out with small scissors and use that instead. I put into each house a small LED candle. These were, by the way, from IKEA. And then our new Halloween decor was done. So that's how I created these little houses. I will decorate for Halloween actually quite soon because this is something I'm always so excited about and I don't want to wait any longer than necessary. And I will film it for my vlogging channel. So if you're not subscribed there, I will link my vlogging channel down below. I will use mostly the stuff that I created myself. So you can then see how it looks like this year because I always try to kind of put it together a little bit differently. And there will be one more Halloween decor idea that's also super easy this year. And I'm planning on filming one costume for me and one costume for Hercules. So stay tuned for the next weeks. Halloween is just so much fun. And thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys ended up enjoying today's video. If that was the case, don't forget to give the video a thumb up because that really helps my channel. And you can also subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet. And as usual, I will list and link down below a lot of stuff that might be either useful or interesting for you. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.